Did you know that you can give your contacts the option to provide a reason when they unsubscribe from your email list? You can then use their feedback to write more relevant email content and better segment your lists. Let's take a look at how it all works. Click your profile name and then select Settings from the options. Scroll down to the Footer Settings section and then click Edit. Click the toggle next to Include Unsubscribe Comment box to enable it. Then click Save. When your contacts click the unsubscribe link in your email footer, they will now also have the option to give a reason for why they're unsubscribing. If they select Other Reason, a comment box displays to record any additional feedback they choose to submit. Once you start getting feedback, you need to review it. In order to review the feedback, click Reporting. Scroll down to the Email Campaigns section and click the hyperlinked number of unsubscribed contacts next to the email you want to review. Take a look at the Reason column to see if there's any feedback from your unsubscribed contacts. While not every unsubscribe reason is something you can address, combining the information with your overall unsubscribe reporting gives you valuable insights that can help reduce the number of future unsubscribes. With a better idea of why people are unsubscribing, you can make changes to your email content and list organization to be a better marketer. Try it out today with Constant Contact.